Please take a moment and observe carefully. Now let's talk about what you see. What differences can you notice between the two classrooms? Yes, good observation. The first classroom looks clean and tidy. The desks organized and there is no trash on the floor, right? But the second classroom looks messy and dirty. There is trash everywhere and the classroom doesn't look comfortable. Now let me ask you a question. Which classroom would you prefer to study? Raise your hand if you prefer the clean classroom. Yes. I see many hands. Why do you think the clean classroom is better? Examine ideas. A clean classroom helps us focus, feel comfortable, and learn better. But sometimes in real life, classrooms can become messy. Like picture B, yeah. Maybe the students forget to throw trash away, or maybe that's not cleaned. So today's lesson is real life. Classrooms can be messy. Maybe students forget, or I forget. So today's lesson is about an important topic. Keeping our classroom clean. By the end of today's lesson, we will learn some useful English words and discuss how we can keep our classroom clean. And together, okay? Now, let's learn some important vocabulary. These words will help us talk about classroom cleanliness. Please look at these pictures. What do you see on the floor and playground? Yes, we see things that people throw away. These things are called trash. Trash means things that we don't need anymore and throw away. For example, paper, and plastic bottles here, food wrappers. Let's say the word together. Trash. Okay, good. Very good pronunciation. Now let's look at the next pictures. This classroom. Oh. This classroom looks very nice and tidy, yeah. Everything is organized and there is no trash on the floor. And the sunshine is so beautiful, right? We call this cleaning. For me, clean. Yeah, good. Excellent. Now look at this, the next picture. Ooh. And breathes hard, okay? Repeat after me. 30. This classroom and desk looks busy, right? There is a trash on the floor and things are not organization. There are some manuals and pens on the desk. My brain is so hard. And follow me again. This word 30. 30. Okay. Now let's learn one more word. The third word is recycle. Recycle means using something again instead of throwing it away. For example, we can recycle some paper and plastic bottles and cans. Okay, you and Coca-Cola and spirit. Repeat after me. Recycle. Recycle. Very good. The next quick vocabulary check. Let's check if everyone understands the words. If I say a situation, you tell me the correct word. If a classroom has trash everywhere and it is clean or dirty. It's so dirty, yeah? And no trash is clean. And so many trash on floor and the ground is trash, okay? And recycle. Then listen to me. If there is no trash and everything is not organized, it's clean or dirty. One more time. Correct, clean, yeah. And now we are going to play a short game. The game is called Trash or Not. Here are the rules. I will show you something. I say, if you hear and think, you can say trash or not trash. Are you ready? That's fine. Number one, a banana peel on the floor. What do you see? Yes, trash. Great. Next, there is a clean desk. What do you think? A clean desk. Correct, not trash, okay? Accept the word. The next, a plastic bottle on the floor. Yes, trash, okay? Very good, everyone. You're doing a great job. Recognize the vocabulary. And so the next level. Now let's think a little deeper. Sometimes our classroom becomes dirty. Why does this happen? Let's look at the sentence. Students throw trash on the floor. What happens next? Yes, the classroom becomes dirty. So we have something called cause and effect. The cause is the reason something happens. The effect is the result. Let's try another example. Students clean the classroom. What happens next? Right. This is right. The classroom become clean and very good thinking. Now, look at this picture. Pause and show me the classroom. Although this classroom looks very messy, yeah. There is a tray on the floor on the playground and the desk are dirty. This picture is right. Let's think about solutions. What should we do? You can answer using the sentence. We should what? For example, we should pick up the trash. Very good. Another one. Anyone? Okay, yes, good. We should clean the desks. Okay, excellent. What else can we do? We should recycle plastic bottles or plastic cans. Very good answers. And now we will do our final activity. This activity is called Words Classroom Hero Challenge. Hero, yeah, like Ultraman. Like Ultraman. Today your classroom hero says your mission is to create rules to keep the classroom clean. Think of one rule that students should follow. You can use these sentences. We should work to keep our classroom clean. For example, we should throw trash into the bin, and we should clean our desk after class, and we should pick up some bottles, cans, papers. Okay. We should recycle paper. Let's hear some ideas. Oh, so good. You can see this picture, right? Okay, right. 30. Sometimes when something recycle is so good. Excellent suggestions. This is really helping you and me keep the classroom clean and clean. Before we finish the lessons, let's review what we learned today. First, we learned some important vocabulary. Can anyone remember the words? Don't look. Yeah. Are you? Yes, trash. It's so dirty. And clean. And dirty, right? And recycle. Very good. We also talked about cause and effort. For example, students throw trash become what? The classroom becomes dirty. Yeah. Finally, we shared ideas about how to keep our classroom clean. Remember, a clean classroom helps everyone learn better. So let's work together to keep our classroom clean every day. Okay, remember? Trash, clean, dirty, and recycle. I think we should try my best to clean my living rooms too. these things. The school and the classroom, yeah, make it beautiful and wonderful. Okay, thank you everyone for your participation today. You did excellent job. See you next lesson. Thank you.